Good afternoon, Valpo. I'm Kolton Woods, and I'll be doing your 15 News weather update on this very sunny day. Speaking of the sunshine, we have a lot of it out there with plenty of blue sky. Really, the only concern with that is it reflecting off of the snow. So if you're driving, make sure you're going to wear some sunglasses. Now, besides that, we have a very cold night expected with lows getting down to 0 degrees. So make sure you bundle up because it will be very cold. Now, your sunny stretch will continue throughout the day tomorrow with plenty of blue sky continuing before an Arctic cold front moves through on Thursday, bringing us more cloud cover and also colder temperatures. Now, speaking of temperatures, we are sitting at 17 degrees here in Valpo, 9 degrees off to our northwest in Rockford. So a very cold night is expected as this colder air continues to move down to the south. Now, if you factor in the wind, our wind chills are sitting at 7 degrees here in Valpo, -2 off in Rockford. So like I said, bundle up tonight and bring your heaviest winter coat because it will be pretty cold. Now, our winter weather alerts show we don't have anything to contend with here in Valpo, at least over the next 48 hours. But moving down south in Kentucky, they have a winter weather advisory for the threat of freezing rain. Now, like I said, we don't have to worry about anything here in Valpo, as this lake effect snow in western Michigan will actually be moving off to the northeast, as it is currently dying off. Now, in the northeast of the United States, we're not seeing anything besides a few spotty snow showers in New York State. Down to the south in Virginia, they're just dealing with rain showers thanks to a strong temperature gradient. And then further off to the west, Memphis, Tennessee is actually experiencing some freezing rain right now. So thankfully, we're not seeing any of that. Similarly, in Texas and Dallas, they're actually seeing some freezing rain right now with just some plain old rain in Virginia. Now, you can see our temperatures right now are in the upper teens, but if you zoom out, thanks to that temperature gradient, that's why all the precipitation is falling down there, thanks to that sharp temperature gradient of 28 degrees in Memphis, 55 degrees in Alabama. So then, really the only thing we need to focus on is the colder air off to the north, and you can see that play out. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll be at 30 degrees, but watch this. The colder air will move down further to the south. By Thursday at 1 p.m., we'll be sitting at 36 degrees here in Valpo, 1 degrees in Minneapolis, and then throughout the remainder of Thursday, that will quickly drop down to the south. We'll be at 10 degrees by Thursday at 11 p.m., so we'll drop in nearly 30 degrees going into the morning hours on Friday. But thankfully, the polar vortex will take the coldest of the air to the northeast of us, so we won't see that cold of air, but it will still be cold regardless. Now, if we look at our future snowfall, if you're wondering if any snow will contend with this colder air, it doesn't look like it. At least it will avoid us in West Michigan and also northern Indiana, as they will see the best lake effect snow conditions by Friday morning. So for tonight, expect a low of 2 degrees. Like I said, bundle up, bring your heaviest winter coat out there because it will be very cold. Now, tomorrow will warm up to around 27 degrees with mostly sunny skies, thankfully. So like today, bring your sunglasses as you drive out around because that snow will also reflect most of that sunlight. Now, the next 7 days shows we will rapidly drop Thursday evening going into Friday with a high of only 13 degrees, but just as fast as we cool down, we'll likely warm up just as fast with a high of 35 on Saturday, warming up to nearly 45 degrees on Monday with maybe some more rain on Tuesday.